Nice. Shaft is straightened. Still got to curve back a bit, but I think that's actually a natural curve to it. But I've got Dan's dad and Dan himself to thank for bending that back for me, because Dan's dad's a machinist. It took 2,000 pounds of pressure and heat to bend it back, so I don't know how a little 300-pound quad and a 100-pound woman can do that much damage, but we're getting her back together. So I had to, as I said, twist it to get it back in. Got all my wires put aside. Just got to put the rubber grommet on here, and then the rubber grommet on there. Oop. That's a cable holder, holds cables against the steering shaft. And just gonna put these around, and this, sweet. And I gotta take the bolt off from down there, slide it through, bolt it on the bottom, put the dust cap back on. Then it's just a matter of putting the handlebars up and routing the cables proper. So we're gonna start on that. Okay guys, I got my tie rods on, got the center bolt on, got those bolts on, got my controls just put on for now. Now I just gotta take these bolts off, put the handlebars up, and as I said before, to get this off you have to take the brake, this piece in here, you have to take that brake thing off, the splitter for the front wheels. So I gotta put that back on. Sweet. Slowly getting there. Okay, so just a matter of, I got the handlebars on. They're a little bent, but I should be able to bend them back by hand. Just got this bracket to put back on. Cool thing about this bike is the air intake is actually part of the frame. So if I wanted, I could put a hose around here and put a small snorkel on it. This is the carburetor intake breather tube, so that's awesome. Or the carburetor breather. Actually, I'm sorry, that's the transmission breather. Sweet. She's coming together. Okay, we pretty much got her all back together. I got the brake bolt put back in there. Hopefully you can see in there. Got the handlebars straightened, got all this on. And the only thing I gotta do now is undo the bolt that holds the steering shaft, put the cable holder back on, and the plastic. And I don't know how well you can see, but handlebars bent slightly over, so I'll just put a pipe across here to here and wedge it that way, and should be straight and good. Well guys, it's all back together. Gotta get some cotter pins. I think that's it. Bend the handlebar back, and gotta do an alignment on it. So I'm gonna do that now. That's pretty easy, just a matter of undoing the lock nuts down in here, and lock nut here, twisting the center bar. Do that on both sides. Got my dust cap back on. All my wiring done. So let's see if this is still a Honda. Fire it up. choke. Oh. Got to turn the idle down, but it's back in there, so I get a screwdriver. Oh yeah, get a screwdriver to the side. Cool. Another thing I noticed is I need new exhaust. I'll shut her down. Need new exhaust because looks like it's been repaired a couple times. So I'm just gonna get a clamp, put it all the way around to hold that sheet metal back on, quiet it up a bit, because she is really rotted. Lots of cracks through the whole thing, so I'll have to look around for new quiet exhaust for it. And still need a chain and sprocket. Gonna see if my old dirt bike chain will fit, because it's adjusted all the way back. So I'm either going to cut a link off of this and put it back together, because it has the connector link there, and then readjust it all the way back. But sweet. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So Dan, hopefully your GoPro comes in soon, and I'm sure this weekend he's going to bring his three-wheeler out, and we'll have some fun. Well guys, it's finally done. Got her put away. Got my tools put away. So it looks like tomorrow is first test of my GoPro riding day. Cheers.